friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video for the Big Thanks Cut and Foil set. This is a new product line for Trinity Stamps. We are entering the foiling business. So this set comes with a bubble cut that fits around a word die and around a a hot foil plate. So we're going to start out by showing you how to hot foil. This is the Glimmer hot foil system, the platform and the base. We're going to turn the base on, and that turns the red light on. That lets you know the system's on. I'm going to use the hinge method to do the hot foiling. So I have put my plate where I want it to be on the paper, created a hinge with some washi tape, put the paper underneath it and flip the die back over the top. And then we're going to take the sandwich that we've created here and put it plate side down on our platform with the appropriate shims and set our timer. The second green light tells you the platform is hot and ready to go, and the timer just helps you let it sit there long enough. Run it through your die system, and then you can peel back your foil and have beautiful foiling on your paper. It does work best with at least 100 pound, if not 120 pound, very smooth paper. That's the secret. I did have to play with that a bit. So we are going to cut this out with the bubble cut. And if you use your big die cut machine, it fits through here. But I can't fit my big die cut machine through. And you can make it work with a small die cut machine. I also took some silver glitter paper, and that cut beautifully. And then we're going to use the bubble cut again here for some vellum. There are so many ways you can use these dies and foil plates to combine to make beautiful words. This is the thanks and the glitter paper with the vellum. This is the die word die. I speak good. And we're going to actually use that to cut out some of our less than perfect foiled sentiments, because that magically works too. I was pleasantly surprised to see that the word die does perfectly cut out your foiled word. Here are a few samples from the rest of the design team. They are all amazing, and there are so many great ways to use this die set. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment and do that now. And if you're interested in this product, check the description box below for a link. Until next time, bye-bye.